Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Beanie Boo's Unicorn Kitty. So let's get started. To draw this cute kitty, we're going to first start by drawing its nose and mouth area. So let's come right here. I'm going to start with a oval. Top of our oval, I'm going to bring it around. And connect it. Bottom. So then let's come back in here at the top in the center. We're going to draw another curve right in the center and bring it down to the center at a point for the nose. And then let's go right here in the center and draw a straight line down to about right there, and then I'm going to curve it up for a happy kitty on both sides. There. So we have the mouth and nose area. So then now let's come and draw the huge Beanie Boo eyes. So we're going to come right here on the edge of this oval and we're going to draw a big circle. Just come right here. Just going to draw a big circle. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. It's so big, I'm just going to make sure about the same level on both sides and bring it back there. So then let's make them just so cute eyes. So I'm coming here with two smaller circles, an angle and a curved line at the bottom, and shade this all in at the top. So thank you for all your love for all the Beanie Boos that I've drawn so far. If you love Beanie Boos, please make sure to check out my Beanie Boos Draw So Cute playlist. And let me know in the comments below, of course, what the next Beanie Boo you want me to draw. There's just so many to pick from, right? And the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. So since this eye is pretty big, I'm going to show you how I draw the lines at the bottom. So just imagine there's a center point in this eye and it's just radiating out. So if this makes it easier for you to follow, so just draw these lines that radiate out from the center. And that's how I get those lines. So hopefully that helps. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and start to draw the face. I'm going to come to where we started with the eye. So just say about right here. In this area, I'll just give myself a point, and I'm going to start to curve around the eye. So let's do the same thing on this side. So say about right here, and I'm just going to start to curve, and I'm going to bring this curve and finish it really close to the bottom of this oval right here. So let's bring this in. And connect it. There. And let's come above here. Before I forget, I'm going to draw a soft curve, a slant above each eye. And then now let's go ahead and continue the top. So I'm just going to bring this up to finish off our head shape. So say about right here. And keep continuing up towards the center, right there. So now before I finish it, but if you're using a pencil, go ahead and finish this curve. But because I was using a Sharpie, I'm going to come about right here in the center and draw a curve right in the middle. So this is going to be the beginning of my horn. So if you want to make this kitty a unicorn kitty, just go ahead and add this horn. So I'm going to come to the center, say about this high. So I know that's how my center is, and I'm just going to angle it down. And then let's come in here with some curves just to give our horn some dimension. There. And then now we can go ahead and finish off this curve for the head. Okay, so now to make it look like a cat, let's come here and draw the ears. So I'm going to come about right here. Go all the way up. And bring it back down the curve. Let's go inside. So you can come right here, a little bit wider on this edge and closer on this edge. So let's do the same thing over here. I'm just going to drag some points across so you know approximately where the ear is on the other side. So I'm just going to go right there. And start to bring it down. And once again, the inside. There. So now to add some whiskers. Right here, I'm going to add, say, 2 on both sides. Okay, so now we know for sure it's a cat, right? Okay, so now let's draw the body. We're going to center the body, so about right here. Give myself 2 points, and I'm just going to bring this curve down. So I'm going to start to draw the front leg area. So let's keep bringing it down. Now before I finish that, I'm going to draw a tuft of fur in the front right here for the chest area. So I'm going to start about right here, centering. And let's go ahead and zigzag towards the center. So I'm just going to give myself a point, say about right here. That just helps me figure out where I'm going. And I'm just going to go ahead and zigzag all the way to the center. And let's do this side and come back. There. So then now we know this is our center. We can start to build our front legs. So let's just bring this down more. So this is our center. I'm just going to come right here on both sides. Draw a curve and then go ahead and connect it. With a soft curve at the bottom. Same thing on this side. And if you have a space in between, just go ahead and add a curve at the bottom. There. Now to draw the back legs. So say about right here, pop out a curve. And then a slight curve that comes out, and then just tuck it in. So same thing over here. So slight curve. And about right there, pop it out and bring it in. There. And then now our tail. So say in this area where you started the leg, you're going to go up, around, and just tuck it back in. And then last but not least, let's add a heart right here to make it my Just So Cute Unicorn Kitty from Beanie Boos. So there, hope you love how it turned out and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.